What's up, guys? So girls too, gals, guys, ladies, gents. So today we're gonna change this manifold right here for the foot pedals. It is leaking, as you can see. We got a little bit of leaking going on. So first things first, remove your floor pads. Next we're gonna pull this panel, and then the pedals. Well, we might not even need to pull the panel, but I might want to look at. Yeah, we do. It bolts down right here. So pull this panel, then we're gonna go pull this panel and the foot pedals. And just in case you're wondering, this is a mini excavator, a little mini X. So let me grab some tools and get this party started. All right, so once you get this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt out, these two you just have to break loose. They're slotted right here. Kind of just grab it and give it a wiggle, and she comes out. Now that that is out of our way, we can see the real damage. A bunch of leakage down there. So now we can get to this, which means I'm going to start by taking these two out, then this one, and then we'll see about these after I get it up, because I have to unhook all these lines. All right, foot pedals are out. Got these two bolts unbolted. If you lift this up and look, it's gonna take 2 wrenches because you got a nut and a bolt. So let's remove these 4, drop the whole manifold out, and get it to where we can work with it. Yeah. All right. So we got that manifold unhooked. We're just gonna bend this plate out of the way. I kind of latch it underneath the latch right there. If you notice, it's hooked on with the filter. Had I known that, I'd be replacing the filter while I'm in here, but obviously I don't have the filter. So now we got the manifold exposed. We're gonna get our new manifold over here, and just so, because I know a lot of people probably get intimidated when they look at something like this, like, oh my god, where do all the hoses go? What I'm gonna do is bring my new manifold over here. We're gonna unhook one hose at a time and hook it to the new manifold. Hook it to the new manifold. That way I don't ever get confused. I don't have to label nothing. It's a lot smoother and simpler for me, but to each their own. So yeah, let's get the new manifold over here and get this party going. There we are with that new. So obviously I'm gonna start with these two on this side, 1 and 2. Make sure you pop your little caps out of here, otherwise you'll be wondering why it ain't going in. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this real quick, get right back at you. All right, as you can see, I got 3 lines. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. I got to get this big sensor out, but in order to do that, I got to take this little plug out first, and then it can go in. So we got the tool right there. We're gonna pop that plug out, pop that sensor out, put the sensor in before we do both lines, because if you put both lines on, it's gonna make it hard to get to the sensor. Yep, let's go. All right, so we got the plug, the 2 lines in the back, and these things right here, they just slide up and cover the little clips. So you just push them back on, bang, bang. And if you made it this far in the video, just so you know, you're gonna need a 15 millimeter, 2 13 millimeters, a 19 millimeter, and 1 1/8 inch. So far, here's where we're at. Also, another little trick is these little caps. As you pull them out of the new manifold, stick them back in the old manifold to keep the fluid from leaking out. And there's all your floor panels put back in. Now just 4 bolts that hold the foot pedals in. So as you can see, 1 there, 1 goes under that little flap. Just put them all in, you're good to go. Let's do it. And there it is, she's all back together. Now it's time to fire the old girl up and see if she works. sure you put your lever down. Get that off the ground. She's working. There we go. Don't forget to stick around. Hit that follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching.